let's talk for a moment about the purpose of the word reading in isolation test. It's much more than a benchmark assessment that tells you whether or not a student is able to read grade level words. It's actually a placement test. And so if you use the Teachers Pay Teachers resource, it efficiently shows you whether a student has mastered a skill or not. Trust the data. If it says that a student is missing short vowel sounds, for example, believe it. It's not uncommon for students in the older grades to not have those skills solid. A few words about how to use the assessment to find instructional materials. Work from the top down. The skills listed in the order here actually follow the table of contents and scope and sequence of the phonics activities. So you would make sure that students know their consonants first in digraphs, then their vowels, and then you get into syllable rules. There's one exception, however. When you do short vowel words with one syllable, the table of contents and scope and sequence prompts you to go down to closed syllables in multisyllable words. So these are words that have two syllables and they have short vowel sounds. After mastering the closed syllables, then you'll go back up and you'll progress through the long vowel sounds, vowel digraphs, and other vowels. After those have been taught or after those are in place, then you go down to the syllable rules and you pick up with open syllables, magic E, and the subsequent ones that follow.